Okay. Um. Okay. Fine. Sorry, I joined a bit late today. Yep. So people has joined. Yeah, let's start. Okay. Meanwhile, other people will join also. That's fine. Let's start. Okay. So first of all, welcome to React JS Online Training 2020. Okay. So myself Naveen. Let me tell you about myself. Okay. I think some people know about myself. Let me tell you. Myself Naveen, and I have around 10 years of experience on UI development along with Angular and React. I'm working for an MNC, and along with that, I'm also doing some training because my passion is that training. And I have one YouTube channel that is UiBrains Technologies. So where I used to teach about the technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Ajax, jQuery, and React and Angular. Like most of the knowledge which I have, I'm gonna share. Okay, that's fine. And so this course is all about React JS with backend. Okay, it's like complete full stack training. Okay, which is the MERN stack. So here we learn React, Express.js, Node, and MongoDB along with two live projects. Okay, one is the online shopping application and with complete deployments, everything. Okay, and then one is profile management. Okay, so that's about myself. Okay, so let's start today's session. Before I start today's session, I don't want this session to be just like a regular demo session, like as usual, because I have done a lot of batches and too many demo sessions. Okay, I don't wanna make this also just like a regular demo session. I want somewhat interaction and something different demo today. Okay, so today is just a demo means what? What is the technology? I mean, what exactly you expect from React JS, what applications we develop, and the live walkthrough through the applications what we are going to develop. Okay, and how the class can be conducted and how can you get the recorded videos, files, notes, PPT, and everything. Okay, so I'm going to tell you in a minute, but can let's start with, yeah, so React JS online training. So I need you people to tell me. Okay, I need some more interaction. Okay, because this is like your ice breaking session. Okay, so tell me what you are going to expect here. What exactly mean by the React JS? I need some input from you guys, then I'll start by myself. Okay, anybody, just whatever knowledge you have, just tell me what is mean by React JS. Anybody?
It's a library.
Yes, correct. Good. Anybody? What is React? At least what knowledge you have. Arvind said it's a library. Correct. Exactly correct answer. And many people join. You want everything from me? Okay. Okay. I'll tell you. But okay, fine. Yeah, it's a library. Okay. So
Yeah.
what are you expecting from here? What you expect here? Do you expect notes? Do you expect videos, recorded videos? Do you expect PPT? Do you expect the source code? What all you expect? No expectation. Hello, are you there?
Yeah, we want concepts to be explained in like with some good examples and like how we use it in the projects like that.
Okay, good. Funny, I really appreciate. Okay, so React, all concepts to be explained. Okay, so concepts knowledge is required. Concept knowledge is required, and also some real time examples required. Okay, along with that, some projects also required. Super. Anybody? Any expectation?
Yeah, so there is some backend development is also required, like MongoDB, Node.js, because connecting the API to the front end so that we can
Yes.
save the real time data.
Yes, super, Rahul. Yeah, what Rahul says is it also required because correct, because React is client side only. Okay, front end. Only with front end you can't develop the full fledged project. Okay, it must be because you want to write some login system, you want to do some authentication, right? And you want to store the data, application data. So you must have database and server, right? Yes. So server side knowledge is also required. Okay, and database also required. Okay, super database. So with this only we can make a full stack because it's not just React training, it's a complete full stack training. So full stack means the name we call as MERN, MERN. RN means MongoDB. M stands for MongoDB, Express.js, React Node. Okay, complete. And anything? Actually, almost this is what it is. Anything? Okay, okay, fine. I don't want to waste any time. Yep. Okay, I'll ask you some questions later after I finish the demo. Okay, so just note down what you're gonna ask. Okay, so I'm just muting everyone. Okay, so once I finish, so once I finish, sorry, once I finish the things, I'll be asking you for the questions. Okay. Okay, so first let me show you the slides. Okay, so here I'll give you the brief information also later. Yeah, React JS online training. This is our course name. I'll give you the batch code as well. Yeah, the current batch code is. Uh, Let me do one thing. The current batch code. You need to know the batch code, okay? And when you're talking with me, you just have to tell me the batch code first to understand what was the concept we are discussing. Yeah, I'll give you the batch code once. So batch code will be. Arey, what man? Third time. 1 second. Okay, so it is 003 or 04 RCJS MRNG. Okay, so this is our batch code. Okay, so RCJS MRNG, this is your batch code. Okay, fine. So let's start today's session then. Okay. So first we starts with what exactly React JS. Yeah, of course, it's a front-end library, and it's one of the most popular front-end library in the world as of now. That's like Angular, React, and Vue also now slowly getting its popularity. But as of now, Angular and React. So Angular given by the Google and React is given by the Facebook. Okay, so this course is all about React. Okay, and yeah, so this is an open source because it's completely free of cost and you don't need to pay any single rupee for learning or developing and using this framework. And using this, we can develop a rich client-side components using rich user interfaces. Okay, I mean the rich client-side development with the complete data binding and a lot of concepts. Okay, and yeah, so this is mostly the most popular thing about React and Angular is single page application. Single page means not just single page, it's like multiple links will be there, but you never see a page refresh. Okay, generally for every website, mostly whatever the link you click is keep on loading and loading and loading, you get data, most especially the government websites, right? But what this is best part, you never see a page refresh. You can just feel like a desktop application. Okay, the single page. We'll talk more about it later. Yeah, developed by Facebook, and the initial version was in 2013. Uh, so React has come 2013, and Angular 2 has come 2016. Okay, before that 2011, 2010 around Angular JS has come. Okay, and current version 16.13. Even we are learning the React JS 16.13. Okay, And yes, of course, it's the most popular front-end library in today, along with Angular. Uh, and the more important thing is, if you finish this React JS course, you can claim 3 years of experience in your resume. So minimum 3 years of experience you can keep with this. Okay, because that level of knowledge I'm going to cover in this 50 days, 50. Okay, so the average salary in India for 3+ experience guy is 7,35,000 rupees. US market it is like 91K dollars per year. Okay, as per the payscale.com, it's not my own figures. React, because React, are very much popular nowadays, very very much popular. Okay, and yeah, so what are the prerequisites? Because React is not just a very basic language where you can learn. Okay, it's like a framework or library. Okay, so to learn React, you need to have some knowledge, like you need to know some basic knowledge on HTML, like HTML tags and all, and you need to have some knowledge on CSS, how to apply styles and how to develop a simple simple basic UI components using CSS, and you also have good understanding of JavaScript with functions, like what will be there, like data types, arrays, objects, like ES6 features, arrow functions, and a lot more things. Okay, so you need to have a good understanding of JavaScript language, because this React JS is library of JavaScript. Okay, you must know JavaScript to understand the React JS. Okay, and yeah, these concepts like promises, callbacks also important to learn before attending this React JS. And one more thing is, if you have a bootstrap knowledge, it is added advantage, because mostly we develop the front end of React with mostly bootstrap. And if you know bootstrap, it's easy for you to understand the material UI and the prime React, the other modules which you have, which we are going to learn. Okay, so this is required. And if you want to brush up, sir, I have a very few knowledge, or I want to brush up one more time, don't worry, I have a YouTube channel, UiBrains Technologies. You can search for it in YouTube. So there I have a playlist for all this, so you can just go through that. Okay, so Bootstrap we developed some around 5 websites we made, and JavaScript also some good amount of videos I made, good amount of examples I made. So please go through that. Meanwhile, down the line, because parallelly also you can go through. Okay, but this is required for this. Okay, fine. And what's the learning plan? Yeah, this is very very important for you guys to learn. Okay, you guys to know what is that is in the whole React JS course. uh, we have a 7 modules, total 7 modules are there. So what is this modules will be is, first we start with this basics module. A basics module means this is like completely class based component, because some projects are using the legacy React JS projects, and some companies are using the current React projects. Okay, new version. So legacy projects where they will be using class based components, and currently they are using hooks concepts. Okay, I don't want to miss you a single chance, so that's why I'll just start with first class based components. Okay, so in the class based components I'm going to talk about how to create an application, how to make data binding, and how to make event listeners, events binding, events handling, two-way data binding, and structural directives, and routing, navigation, form validation, authentication, authorization, like too many concepts, like how to do HTTP calls to the server. Okay, so those things, and how to maintain the state in your application, like state management, everything we're going to discuss fully class based here, only class based components. And here in this module only, server also will come. Okay, this Node.js, Express.js, MongoDB also will be start in this along with this module. Okay, so here almost up to routing we'll discuss, later we'll continue with this one. So here we learn the server things. And once we learn server things, why I have involved server here is, here we are going to develop a beautiful application, the complete full stack application called Big Basket. So Big Basket is one code application where you can do the create, update of the products and delete of the products. So that's a complete full stack application with the class based component. So that's one thing. So with that big basket application, this module is will be finished. Next we will start with React hooks. In React hooks also we'll see all examples like data binding to event handling, from there to last authentication authorization, completely with hooks concept. And even here also one big basket application is gonna come. uh, right here also one big basket application is going to come, okay, with hooks. Next we'll start with Redux and Tongue and Saga, and here also one big basket application will come that way. And we'll start with Material UI and then Prime React and then final project. So that's the plan. Okay, if you can see briefly, basics module which contains these things: CSS, Bootstrap, prompt binding, event handling, like too many things, man. Everything is covered. And one more application was GitHub profile search, okay, routing, lastly big basket. See, my way of teaching is very very simple. What is that is, we have to go level by level. Okay, we start from very basic. Okay, what is React onwards will start. So next level, next level, next level, like that. So last level is what? Final projects, like one is online shopping application, one is profile management. Okay, so to do that, you can do multiple ways. You can do class based, you can do hooks based, you can do with Redux, without Redux, anything you do. So that's why we'll start from scratch, basic. So first we'll do what is first application, and then how to apply CSS, and then how to apply Bootstrap, and then how to maintain the state, and then event handling. Like one by one we'll see. Concept we learn, example also we'll do. Okay, so one by one. Lastly, for this module, by mixing all the concepts like life cycle, conditional, HTTP, React routing, like by mixing all these concepts, we are going to develop one application, that is this one. Every specific concept examples are there. Okay, every real-time example is there, but by mixing all these concepts, we are going to develop one full-fledged project. So you understand more clearly where we use all these concepts in the project. That's a plan. Okay, so first we learn the concept, one by one real examples, and by mixing all the example, one project. So that's what your big basket. And this big basket now is completely all concepts on class based components. Okay, next we'll start with hooks. Hooks also same story. Hooks is little new thing in React from 16.8 version. In here also there are a lot of hooks are there, but with all these hooks you can maintain the same thing which we made in the previous module. So there also we learn one by one, like HTTP how to do, state management how to do, data binding how to do, routing, navigation and all. By mixing all this, again we'll develop a big basket application with the React hooks in this module. So with that, this module gets finished. Okay, that's not mentioned here, but I'm just telling you that that's what will happen. Okay, here also we'll develop a big basket application. I'll show you how it looks like. Yeah, this one. And then big basket with hooks. Next, we'll start with something next level, because see, we are going one by one next level. This is Redux, Tongue, and Saga. This is the best library to maintain the complex application state. Here a lot of things are like reducers, actions, um, um, yeah, there are some hooks also there like selector, dispatch, okay, and those things. And finally, big basket. So here also every example how to do a simple data binding with Redux, okay, and events binding with Redux, and form handling with Redux, navigation with Redux. So like every example what we learned in the first module also comes here, but with the Redux. Okay, and finally we develop the same big basket application with hooks and Redux. So it's like something new library has added for that. So now it's slowly growing your language, I mean this knowledge. Okay, done. So once we are done with this, we start with Material UI. Okay, here it's just like Bootstrap, man. Bootstrap, we have some components, right? Like navbar is there, card is there, jumbotron is there, alerts are there. Like how to make the components with Material UI, because this is specifically designed for React people. Okay, so this we're gonna learn a few components we learn, and then we'll start with another module that's called prime react. Yeah, prime react is given by the prime faces. Okay, so prime faces actually for Java, and prime react is for React. Prime view also there for Vue.js, and one more is there, prime ng. Prime ng is for Angular. Okay, they given a separate libraries for each and every, and we also discuss that components, because we start with bootstrap, then we learn metal UI, then we learn prime react. So why are we learning these many libraries? Because we never know after going the company what they're gonna use. They may use Bootstrap, they may use Metal UI, they may use Prime React, they may use something else. But if you learn these things, if they use something apart from this also, you can easily migrate. Okay, that's why we discuss all. And even hooks are there, but still why we are learning class-based components in the first module is, who knows, after joining the company they may using legacy projects called React, and they are using class-based component, right? That's why I tell you, first class-based and functional and Redux. Okay, fine. So that way, because I want to cover everything in React, you don't need to go for any other tutorial to learn something apart from this one. Okay, so here is just one point of course where you can learn completely about React. Not just React, it's all the supported libraries about React also. Okay, and then yeah, unit testing also we'll see how to do unit testing with React JS, like test coverage reports with Istanbul and all. Okay, and yeah, server side, every module server side will come. Okay, how to create Node.js server, Express.js, REST API, how to make it, and password encryption, authentication, authorization. Okay, so like good amount of examples are there here, and MongoDB, how to create table structure and how to make a relationship between them, like complete story. Okay, so server side integration, and yeah, other libraries bonus for you guys. So once we finish all the other things, we'll do the bonus thing is Google login, Firebase connection, Stripe and PayPal payments and all. Okay, so once we are done with all, we're gonna start the final project, that is your online shopping application. Okay, so details about that is it's a complete bootstrap setup, because bootstrap is a easy thing for us to develop anything, right? Metal UI very new to us, so I just use a bootstrap layout. Okay, and yeah, routing will be there, navigation will be there, JSON token based authentication will be there, password encryption will be there, and the real image upload will be there. I'll show you the live example also. Okay, live walkthrough of example also I show you. Yeah, server we develop using Express and MongoDB, and we do have Stripe payments. Yeah, backend with MongoDB. Okay, and the final application will be deploying to Heroku. I already deployed for the previous batch. I'll show you that application, previous batch application I show you. Okay, and I also suggest you some future implements for the projects. You can take that as a task and you can make it by yourself. Okay, fine, and that's about the course content, and these are real images. Okay, so in that same online shopping, real images, these images. Anyway, we'll see the live now. Yeah, and some other applications apart from that is this is employee portal application, this is routing, this is events binding, forms binding, Redux, this is GitHub search app, like many applications are there. Okay, and let's start with a live demo. Okay, fine. So simple, man. Let me tell you briefly. Actually, here in React we have 7 modules are there. Okay, yeah, total duration will be 50 days. 50 days duration, and here you'll be getting 100 hours. Daily 2 hours. You count it around. Okay, I can't give you exactly 100 because daily exactly not 2 hours. Sometimes 1 hour 40 minutes, 1 hour 15 minutes, like that. So 50 days. It will go beyond 60, 50 also, around 50 to 53, like that. Okay, 50 to 53 days will be there. Okay, so around 100 hours definitely content will be there. Okay, 7 modules. So my concept is very simple, man. Course itself is very simple manner, not just like very complex thing and all. Yeah, of course we develop complex things, but the way of learning is also different. Simple, no? If you want to practice, you have to compete with a street level, and then what? Village level, mandal level, district level, state level, country level, like worldwide, like one by one, level by level, you have to go. Correct? Everywhere levels are there. Same way here also levels are there. We start from very basic, and first we learn the concept. What is the concept? Then we'll make a simple example, and along with that, we also make a complex example. Okay, every concept we have a simple example, complex example. Simple example is to understand the concept practically. Complex example to make in real world what they do, in real time what they do. Okay, done. So every concept, see, each module I'm telling, okay? Okay, let's write like this. Yeah, each module, what is the concept, simple example and complex example, and not one, multiple also will come. Okay, so once we're done with this, like all concepts will cover with the simple and complex examples, and then for every module, one project is there. So for this module, that is big basket application. Okay, so with this, you can what you can easily understand all the concepts involved here. Okay, that module finished. Okay, basics module finished. Then we'll start with what? Hooks module. Hooks module also React hooks. Okay, so they're all class based. This is React hooks. React hooks also, all concepts will come with a simple example and complex example. Then we'll do again the big basket application. Why you may ask a question, sir, why again big basket application? Why can't you take the some other application? Yeah, of course we can take some other application, but my plan is, if you take the same application, you easily understand the story here, how to make the same application using fully class based components, how to make the same application with fully functional components, because we never know they are using class or functional in your project, in your company. That's why you can easily correlate. Okay, then we'll start with what? React with Redux. In Redux also, same, every example, every concept we will learn here also. Okay, what we learn the class base, we also learn here. Next, along with that, again big basket application will come. This with what? Hooks and Redux. Okay, here Redux was not there. Here hooks plus Redux both will come. So you have a clear idea how to make a same application something next level of language, next level of the library, like Redux how to do. So once we learn this way, then we'll start with the final projects. Okay, so here you understand how to make the things. In between, server side also will come. Server side development, because big basket is a full stack, is a complete MERN stack application. Server also will be there here, database also will be there. Okay, because first mod, that's why first module itself I'll start server also. I'll talk about server side also. Okay, so in the entire 50 days, around just 7 to 8 days server only, server database only 8 days, remaining react only. Okay, so final projects, we have a online shopping application. So online shopping application, again complete MERN stack. Here hooks will come, Redux will come, and credit card payment will come, authorization, authentication, everything will come. Okay, so this is like a clear idea. And one bonus for you guys. What is the bonus is, along with the big basket, actually I used to tell only the very basic form validation, but what I thought is I want to make a something complex. So that's why I made is, for every module I have introduced another project that is called events booking app. From this batch I'm telling, along with the big basket, it's just code application. Okay, so this is complete login system. Okay, events booking application, not completely booking credit card payments and all, just only form validation, full-fledged full stack form validation, with contains authentication, authorization, upload, those features. So again we'll see that here, because this PPT I have not updated, so that's why I'm telling you here. Okay, here also events booking application will come. So every module, two major applications. Okay, so this is complete code app. This is login system, authorization, authentication. Okay, because here admin page will be there. Okay, login system will be there. Only admin can access few pages. Only login people can access few pages, and few pages can access for everyone, like that. Okay, and this application with hooks, this application with Redux, and finally you are eligible to start with a project. And this project also we start from scratch. Okay, we start from basic React first application, how you create, from there we start. And this one and one more is profile management application. Okay, so I'm just showed here only applications, along with that full of examples also will be there. And don't worry, I'll show you the source code also now. Okay, so this is my thing, and remaining these are like small modules only, like material UI, unit testing, those things are all very simple modules only. But important thing is projects, application, the real applications what we do. Okay, fine. What about this big basket application? Yeah, I'll show you just I think 1 second. I just got the recording of previous video. Let me store it. Yeah, that's fine. This is Angular. Yeah, so big basket, right? I have a PDF. I'll show you the images. Yeah, this is the big basket application. I can tell you, I can show you live. Yeah, I can show you live. Yeah, regarding payments and all, I'll talk about in the last. Okay, payment last. Okay. Yeah, so this is big basket application. Simple only, but CURD application will be there. Big basket. We have products admin. So when I click on products, it will show you all the products here. Okay, all the products here. And this products you want to update, sir, I want to update the price, I want to update the quantity, I want to change the image. For all this you have a admin page. If you click on admin, it will go to another page called here. Yeah, here this is an admin page where you have an option to create. When you click on this button called create new, it'll go to the page called create new products. You can add a product and click on create. It will update here as well as here. Okay, and when I click on update button, so this particular product, you just click on update, you'll go to the update page where you can update and click on update. You can even change the new image also. Okay, it updates here. You can even delete also. So this example is completely CURD application. Okay, just only focus on no login system, only CURD application will be there. So with this you have an idea how to make a real React application, because here everything is there. Routing is there. See, upload image is there. Like, okay, data binding is there. Like, everything is there. So it's complete CURD application with complete backend also. Backend, this data has been uploaded. The real images was uploaded to MongoDB database, and it's fetching and updating from server, Express server. It's complete MERN stack application, but focus on simply CURD application. Okay, so this application is common for every module. Class base also will do this, functional also will do this, hooks also will do this, Redux also will do this. Okay, because every concept I want to cover. Along with that, one more application we also cover for every module. It's not a major project. Okay, it is just for module level project. Okay, one more application was there. I guess I have events booking is there. I guess I didn't deploy that, but I have in my local PPT. Big basket is here, brainscart is here. Yeah, I just searched for a previous batch. I think I have it. I think on my desktop. Big basket only. Events booking also I have. Okay, let me search for Angular batch. In Angular batch I talk about Angular batch evening. Fundamentals, events booking app. Yes, correct. SRC notes. Yes, this is the guy. Copy. I'll keep it on desktop. Yeah, this is the one. Because as I said, every module we have two application. Module level, one big basket, one events booking. So events booking also same story. Class base, hooks with Redux. Okay. So that will be this one. Yeah, this is events booking application. This is very simple one, but mainly focus on not code application, focus on login system. Okay, so we have free events, pro events, login, registration. If I click on login, I think no, not login. Just click on free events. You get the free events. The moment you click on pro events, it asks for login. Yeah, login system like this. You need to log in. But thing is, see, in big basket, you never see login system because we focus on CRUD operation, only CRUD operation. Here, no CRUD operation, only login system because I want you to particularly concentrate on one thing. Okay, login system. Yeah, once you log in, this is registration link. Yeah, once you log in, you get your image and your name, and you can access Pro. So simple thing is, you have three parts here: free events, pro events, upload events. So free events without login you can access. Pro events with login you access. Upload event you must be an admin to access. Okay, three things are there. So free, like public access, private access, authorized access. Okay, free for everyone, pro for login people. Everybody, you are not admin also you can access after login. This is for only you must have to log in and you must have to be an admin that way. Okay, and you can just make a logout. Yeah, I know this application looks simple, but concept is login system, how to do authorization, JWT authorization, and most important is the password encryption, because we do the password encryption and we store in database and we do decrypt also. So those things here. Okay, this application also is common for every module. Every module, this application also common. So big basket event booking is common for class base. See, I'm not talking about component concepts. Concept will be there along with that applications I'm showing. This one, this one, this one. Yes. So once we're done up to Redux, then it's time to start real application call online shopping. Yep. Let me show you that. I guess I have a PDF of it. Yeah, these are all real images. This one. So this is a landing page. Okay. Here also, login will be there, CRUD operation will be there, everything will be there. This is last. This is a major project. No. Yeah, here you have menswear, kidswear, womenswear. Yeah, this is men's collection, all products. This is registration with the form validation. See the form validation and login. Once you log in, you get this here, and yeah, you can select a product and you can add to cart. This is a cart page. Okay, you can do increment, decrement, delete, and all. You can check out, and billing address you can change. Just click on update address. You'll go to your profile. You can see here you can update address. It will come back here, and you can do payment. Click on pay. It will go to the Stripe payments gateway, and where you can pay that, and payment successful, and you get all the orders. Okay, this is the major projects we're going to develop here, and along with that on profile management. But frankly speaking, profile management I have not done the UI. I'll be doing it by the time you will come here. Okay, definitely I'll show you that UI in the middle of our session. Okay, because by this time I don't have a UI to show you because I'm still doing it. Only backend is doing. Front end design I didn't made it now. Once that is done, I'll tell you. Okay, but definitely for this batch, profile management application also gets covered. Okay, this is also as big as this guy. So my focus is very simple, man. If you just learn only concept, nothing can be done in the company. Okay. So my focus is you have to go through the interview, you have to clear that, and you have to survive in the industry. See, interview can be cleared by anybody. If you have some little bit of luck, also you can clear it. But surviving in the industry is very, very important because I've seen many people they only focus on interview because I have seen many trainers also focus on interview only. They only tell you questions on interview, but some people where they're struggling is while doing the task. Okay, because you have gone through a lot of interviews and finally a lot of efforts you get the job, but after getting job they'll give you task daily and they'll give you timeline, and you have to finish the task in the time, in the meantime, in the given time you have to finish. If you're not able to finish, they'll replace you with someone. It's a fact, it's a fact. Okay, so you have to survive in the industry. When instead of more than clearing the interview, surviving industry is more important. So if you have done this type of example, so you can easily can develop any kind of application in the company. Okay, fine, let me tell you the live demo. All these things I can't show it live demo because I have to start the server and all. Okay, server database and all I have to do is a waste of time. Don't worry, while application start, we'll do it. Yeah, I think yeah, online shopping I'll show you live. Okay. Later I'll take the questions from you guys. Let me show you the live walkthrough. I think I deployed to Heroku for previous batch. Yeah, Heroku. Go here. Okay, meanwhile, let me log into the Stripe payments because I have to see the payment successful also. Yeah, this is our application for morning batch. Previous, same. This is morning batch, no? Previous batch, we made this, and definitely every batch, some improvements will be there. Okay, every batch, somewhat improvements will be there. And this is the existing batch code. This batch maybe something more UI and better UI will do. Okay, let's see. Yeah, this is our real I showed right in the in the PDF. This one. So I'll just go live walkthrough here. This one. That is this application is hosted online. You can even test it. Yeah, let's show you now. Okay, let me log in. I have admin access. Yeah, this is a login page with some animation. I think I have. Yeah, see, form validation is there. Super, no? React with form validation. I think click on login. Yeah, you get the nice login successful alert. Yeah, I have login. See my profile picture. When you just click on that, you can see my profile picture, my name and my mobile number and my address. You can update the address also. If you just click on enable, you can change this. 500 is there. Now you can change to something 8-150, something called UiBrains. Create something. Okay, just click on update address. See, address has been updated in database actually. Okay, yeah, fine. Let me go to homepage. Let me purchase something. Okay, and I'll show you the payments, real payments, what happened here. Okay, this is the payment gateway. You have to log in. Generally, you log into your HDFC bank account and you'll check. No, that way payments happening or not in Stripe. You can see that here. Live payments, you can check here. If you go to payments, all succeeded payments, you can see these are all 1 lakh rupees. Okay, all testing only. That's fine. Let me try this. Yeah, let me purchase something. Yeah, observe very closely what happened. Menswear, I have a products. Kids wear, I have products with a nice spinner, and these are coming from your database, MongoDB database. Okay, so let's try. So you can do add to cart here. You just click on add to cart. It adds to cart. Otherwise, you can just open the product and it just opened like this. You can select how many you want, 3, add to cart. So that way you do. So directly on the home page you do, or after selecting the product also you do. Okay, let me add one kits. This one, add to cart. Yeah, 3. That's fine. So 9,607.50 rupees. And important thing is you just click on plus symbol. It increases the total and increases the stacks and all. Reduce, increase like that. You can delete also. You can just click on delete. It's gone, only 2 now. Okay. If you delete all, gone, empty. Okay, that way. So let's select one, add to cart, kids, this girl, add to cart, men, this one, add to cart. Okay, fine. I have 3, right? And this is 2 shirt, this is 3, this is 4. Okay, how many you want? Okay, finally 16,180, right? And you click on shop again, it will go to home page, or you click on the cart. 3 items are there in the cart, 16,180. Super. So click on checkout. You get the checkout page. Yes, here you can change the address. See, this is what the address. No, if you want to change the address, click on update button. You'll go to your profile there, and there you can change it. Enable, and let's make it something called something 2-220. Anything you change and update. It is updated. Go cart again and check out. Now check 2-220 is there. Okay, so same these products. 2 item, 3 items, 4 items, and total 16,180 rupees. Okay, and let me just select the credit card payment and to delivery my this address and click on pay. If I click on pay, you get the Stripe payment. You can do it, and once your payment is successful, you can see that succeeded thing here because once you done the successful payment. Okay, let's make my email something called UI. Okay, my email I'll give Naveen dot uibrains at gmail.com gmail.com. Card number, you can try this card number. Yeah, anybody can try this card number. It's just for testing purpose. 0525. Yeah, remember not required. Just click on pay. So it's paying. If it is successful, you get automatically redirect to success page. Okay, you got the order ID. This is your database insertion ID and your name, mobile number, and when did you made the order just now. Okay, and yeah, what did you order? Men's casual 2 item, kids 2 item, women 4 item. Total 770 tax 16180. Okay, and you can even print this document for reference. Okay, just click on print. You get the PDF format. You can save it on your um, yeah desktop. Let's say React okay, online shopping or something. Saved. You can check now on your, where is that? Yeah, here. You can see the PDF order success today's date. This is all your for reference. Okay, order success. Who has made the order and who, what is the mobile number and all. Okay, and once that is done, you can just click on done button. You'll go to home page and order this 0. You have done the payment, and you can even just click on upload to uploading a new product and go to order list. You can see all the orders. What is the new order now? Go last. See here, 16,180 rupees. Okay, this made now, and you can even confirm. See, C778. Where is that? C778. Total how much? Total 770 rupees. 16,180. Same thing here. 16,180. Okay, that's fine. Grand total. And you can even confirm the payments. See, here's the payments. You can just refresh and check. Your payments will be succeeded here. How much? 16,180 rupees. Come on, yeah. 16,180 rupees just now succeeded. 753 by myself. Okay, fine. So this is the real demo, the live demo, live walkthrough of my application. And product management also just like this, but no products and all. It's completely like a profile management. You can maintain your profile, like your resume and all you maintain there. Okay, so this one, man. So this is all about my course content. Okay, and I can show you source code also because my previous project, yeah, previous course source code will be, I show you. I think it will be, yeah, if you go to morning batch, previous morning batch, yeah, these many. If you go to fundamentals, means basics module, we have these many concepts: events binding, forms binding, like big basket. Okay, next if you go to hooks, all the concepts, big basket, use ref. Okay, and now Redux also, everything with big basket. Events booking, yeah, it's involved now for these guys also. Events booking, for them events booking only with Redux. For you from basics module starts. Okay, and finally the application, prime, React, metal, UI, everything will be there. Okay, so this is completely transparent because I don't want to hide anything, because everything what I'm going to teach in this complete 7 modules I have showed you. Okay, no hidden things. Okay, and yeah, let's come to the last slide. This is very important. Okay, uh, projects and all important for you, but this slide is important for me. Okay, why like that? I tell you. See, total duration 50 days, not 90 hours. Dude, it's 100 hours. I have to change it. 100 hours. Yeah, live hands-on experience. It means what is the example I showed you now? All concepts, all examples, all website, everything live coding by me. Okay, and everything is hands-on, and every concept covers from basics to advanced level. Definitely I'll do that. And daily the videos and files and shares to Google Drive. Actually my plan is I'm going to create a separate Google Drive link for every batch, and because this is live session, right? So this live session getting recorded, is getting recorded, you see, is getting recorded. Okay, so why it is getting recorded is every session, day one to day end, every session is getting recorded, and all the recorded sessions will be keeping in one Google Drive. Why keeping in Google Drive is because some people may join lately, some people will not join also sometimes. Okay, but still they want the concept, right? So if they miss the concept, then next concept they can't understand. So that's why I'll record every video, I'll keep in the Google Drive. So what you do, either you join the live session, or your is both also possible. You join the live session, you want one more time the video, get the video in the Google Drive, and please watch it. And that is access for lifetime, not just 6 months or 1 year. It's just complete lifetime. And even there, not just video, the project files, the source code, the PPT, the notes, everything will be keeping over there. Okay, so it's better, right? Lifetime you can access the course content, and in future you get some projects like same kind of e-commerce, you want to do some kind of payments, so directly you go through the source code, you copy paste and do it. Okay, you go through the video and you understand how the flow works and all, you can make it. That's the main thing. Okay, so either you join the live session, or you can go through like recorded videos. Some people only go through recorded video because for them time is not feasible. If time is not feasible, you can go to record video. But only best part when compared to record video live session is, if you join live session, you can ask me questions live. If it is recorded, you can only ask the questions in the group. We have a Telegram group where you can ask the questions. Okay, yeah, class timings morning 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. daily 2 hours. So 50 days into 2 hours is 100 hours. Okay, so class will be Monday to Saturday, Sunday will be holiday. Okay, and sometimes Sunday also we have class. Okay, if I take any leave in between Monday to Saturday, Sunday will be class. I'll inform you before only. Okay, and course fees 6,000. Actually, course fees is 10,000, but I understand everyone's financial situation in India, so I made it a 6,000 rupees. And for US dollars is not 685, it's $90, because yeah, here also frankly, why I made $90 is people who are in outside of India, they're paying through PayPal. So PayPal is deducting too much taxes. Okay, if you pay 6,000 to me, I'll get only 5,100. Okay, that's why I made $90. So 6,900. So 900 will go as a tax. So 6,000 exactly I'll get. That's why $90. And you need to do Google Pay to this number. And please don't note down this number. This is my number. It's having WhatsApp. It's having PayPal. Sorry, it's having Paytm, PhonePe, Google Pay, and you can even ask me the questions in WhatsApp if you have any questions. Okay, so this is all about my course. So complete, man. See, this is full-fledged React course where you can learn everything from scratch to the advanced level, and I showed the projects also live. Okay, and I showed the source code and I showed the slides, like everything transparent, man. You can ask me on my face. If I'm not able to cover anything, you can ask me, because this should be benefited for the people. Okay, and moreover I have started a referral program. Yeah, that's very important to understand. Wait, I'll just take some questions. Meanwhile, I'll do a referral program. Okay, I have a referral program recently started, because I want my students also to be benefited, not only me. Referral program. Okay, so this program not just only for you, for the upcoming people also. Okay, so this referral program, until what time? It is until, it's forever, man. It's forever. This referral program is forever. So what is the referral program plan is? Actually, course fees is what? Course fees is 6,000 rupees. I'm talking about Indian rupees, 6,000 rupees. So in this, actually, I thought of giving 500 rupees off for the people who join. But mostly what happened, one of my most of my previous students are referring their friends to join my class. So definitely I want to give them that discount. Okay, the people who are referring, because they're telling, they are like indirectly they're doing the marketing of my, correct? So I have to give some amount to them. Okay, that way what I decide is in the course fee. So what the referral program is, for example, Mahesh is there. Mahesh is joined today's class. I mean, this current batch, he has joined current batch. Observe very closely, is very important. Okay, Mahesh has joined the current batch. He paid 6,000 rupees and he joined the batch and he learned a lot of things and he got a job. Assume. Okay, fine. And Mahesh is doing his own job. In between, in between, some of his Mahesh friends ask him like, where is the React JS? Where can I learn and I can also get a job? So Mahesh has referred some so and so Naveen Sat is teaching React, Angular and all. So please join there. So he referred. So he referred two friends. So two friends he referred, and both the two friends join my next batch. Okay. So as soon as they join, they pay the fee, right? Yeah, they have to pay the fee, right? Yeah. Once they pay the fee, what Mahesh will do is Mahesh will get the pay slip. I mean, as soon as done the payment, they get the slip. No, Mahesh has to share me the slip plus the batch code. Current batch code is what? 0404 hyphen RCJS hyphen MRNG. This is the current batch code. So your friend's payment slip, your batch code, what is the batch he has joined, and what is the name of the person who joined. Just share. Mahesh will share this information to me immediately. Right away, I'll transfer 500 rupees for each people to Mahesh bank account. Like I'll just get Mahesh Google Pay number and I'll transfer immediately because I want Mahesh to be benefited because Mahesh has referred two friends. No, definitely. So this referral program goes just like that. Okay, if you refer five friends, so 5 into 500, total kitna hua? 2,500 you get. Okay, if you refer 50 friends, 50 into not just single time. Okay, it can be down the 1 year, down the 5 years, down the 10 years. Okay, yeah. So 5 into 50 into 500 kitna hua? 25,000 rupees you get. Suppose, yeah, let's make one last number. 500 friends you refer. Okay, then what you get? 500 into 500 kitna hua? 2,50,000. See, Mahesh is joining job. He joined a job. He is doing his own job, and also he's getting some extra amount from me. Super, no? Yes, because I want everyone to be benefited. Okay, and also just please don't refer just for the money sake. Okay, if you really like Heartful, my course, please refer. And one question here is, sir, how I know that you are starting a new batch? Don't worry, everyone's mobile number I will take it and I'll have a broadcasting list. Okay, I'll add to my broadcasting list, and whenever new batch starts, I'll share that batch, I mean the video URL and complete information about advertisement, images, everything I'll share to you. You just simply have to forward to your friends. If they paid, let me know. I'll do the transfer. Okay, so this is all about referral program. It's forever. It's not just for one day or one batch. It's forever until I say end. It will be there. Okay, yeah, fine. So this is all about React online training by me and myself. You can search about me, or you can search me about Google. In Google you search about me, because if I talk about myself it's not looks good. You can search about how to search, as I'll tell you. Search my name, type my name. Yeah, this is my GitHub link, where I used to keep a lot of workspace. It's me. I have yeah 1.8K followers here, and yeah, HTML source code, CSS, JavaScript, some most useful source code, some 28 repositories I used to keep. Okay, and yeah, I have a LinkedIn profile. I was senior software engineer in data. I was now I'm working HCL now as a team lead, and yeah, I have this is my photos only. Okay, yeah, you can search me on YouTube, man. You can search me on YouTube. Yeah, YouTube. If you go there, if you just search my name, you get everything. So people are searching with me with my name, lot of things. See, if I just say Naveen Saggam, yeah, people are searching with my lot of things like React, JavaScript, HTML, Angular, Naresh IT, these many things, like these many keys they are searching. Just type my name and enter. You get my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel. Uh, so please subscribe. Okay, if you like. Okay. Yeah, so go to playlists. I made a lot of playlists, man. Core UI, you can check it. Like HTML is here, CSS is here, Bootstrap, Ajax, JavaScript, Node Express. This is Angular 8 training. This is a bit old, okay? Now Angular 11 has come. And some coding practices, some coding examples, Node Express, React. This is very basic videos, okay? And even TypeScript I'm going to launch now, okay? That's fine. And you can see my teaching also here. Okay, see, this is my bootstrap full course, and except this, no bootstrap. Okay, almost 99.99% bootstrap covered here. Okay, you wanna see how I teach? You can see how I teach live and how I type code and all. You can check it. So everything, frankly, man, because people will ask me, sir, how can I trust you? See, live coding, how I get the output, everything is here. So definitely we learn this way React also. Okay, now it's time to understand your questions. Yeah, let's start. Okay, anybody, any question, please ask me. Anybody. And one more thing, one last thing, okay? Note. Yeah, today is live session, today's demo session today. Yeah, today is just a demo session and tomorrow also demo session only. So around 3 days. First 3 days free of cost. Okay, anybody can join because they can know my course. So anybody can join free of cost. Exactly up to today demo na Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay, up to Wednesday free session. So 18th November 2020. You can join free of cost from 19th onwards. 19th November onwards, you have to pay and join. Okay, so up to 18th is the last date to pay that. You may take 2 days extra and so you can pay, but 19th onwards is a paid course. Okay, and the recorded videos you receive only once you have done the payment. Okay, the Google Drive link, the files, it means in these 3 days if you done uh, any source code you won't get until you pay. If you do the payment, everything access you get. Meanwhile, you can access the live session, just walk through. Okay, and anything else? Yeah, that's it. Any question you have, you can ask me.
Uh, Hey
Ha,
Naveen, I have one question.
ha, tell me.
So, React Native, is it like, is it very much important for for our job hunting, or like how important is it? Can you explain?
Yeah, React Native is for mobile apps development. That's completely new. If you want to learn, you can learn, but here React Native is not going to cover. But React Native is nowadays few people are asking, but not like only React Native can give you the job. Okay, so it's like
Got it.
added
Yes.
advantage. If you have some time, learn. But before learning React Native, you need to have a React knowledge, and that hooks and Redux knowledge is required. Okay.
Sure. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, Naveen, in these application like Big Basket and other application, if we want to enhance some features, like if someone uh, did the payment and we want to show some feature list in the project. So,
You can do.
yeah. So, if you want, if someone done the payment or order the things,
Hmm.
so the person should get an email on his.
Yes, that is simple actually. In Node.js, we have a module called Node Mailer.
Okay.
Node Mailer is there.
Hmm.
With this, we can send emails to the particular person.
Okay.
Okay, it's a
So,
simple feature. Yeah.
so we can enhance the current project
Yes,
feature if we want.
definitely, definitely, you can.
Okay.
Yeah.
So my another question is that if after the course,
Hmm.
suppose, or during the course, if
Hmm.
I want to understand some, concept, if I talk specifically talking about the after the course, if
Hmm.
I understand suppose if there will be a new technology or new term come, comes in the project in the in the React JS, because
Definitely. Actually,
so
my
how
plan
can
will be, yeah, I tell you, my plan will be course content will be for 50 days.
Mhm,
Okay. So in 50 days, whatever I showed, I'll cover. Okay.
mhm,
Plus some 5 days buffer I'll give you. So 5 days
okay,
buffer. What is this 5 days is in between, if you get some questions, if you get some new concepts, meanwhile you go through interviews also now. So if there
yeah,
are some new questions, doubt
mhm,
sessions and all this, I'll take up in the last 5 days, buffer days. So
okay,
those days will cover. So
oh
50
yeah,
days is my time.
mhm,
I cover whatever I showed. After that,
mhm.
I'll take up the bonus days.
Yeah, so just like after these 55 days, if in the future we got some queries,
Uh,
how we can
that
approach
you
you?
can go through the official documentation of React JS and you can learn that by yourself. That's not an issue. And
Okay,
moreover, we have a Telegram group.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
Yeah, if you have anything like that, you can just post in the group regarding your question. So
mhm,
already all of my online students will be there here. Online batch students will be there here.
mhm,
So they will be answering your questions. If not, I'll be the admin there. So I'll answer your
okay,
question. So you will be in the group even after finish of your class. So you'll be get in touch with me after finish of the class also.
okay. So Naveen, is there any kind of career guidance or interview preparation like that
Yeah,
after the
those
course?
things and all will be shared in the group directly,
Okay,
in the group itself.
yeah.
Okay,
So
like
because
yeah, because experience resumes,
yeah,
career
definitely.
guidance. Actually, the career guidance I used to tell you in the examples only, because while doing the examples only, I used to tell you some stories.
Hmm.
Because people, because new concept, no, people will go into sleep, so I don't want them to. So I'll just in between, I'll just tell some stories like how I joined the company and how I have done the task, and first my what's my experience in my first project and how I used to do, like every, because I talk very frankly, okay, not like a trainer and student. I used
Hmm.
to talk very frankly, so I used to explain everything about me. So by the time you finish the batch, you clearly understand what is your situation in the company. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, fine.
So Naveen, if you talk about after this course, this interview preparation and
Hmm.
all,
Hmm.
so we actually require. So yeah, I will ask you in the another time. Yeah,
Hmm.
that's all
Hmm.
from my side.
Yeah, you can. Any
Yeah,
question?
Naveen. Yeah,
Hello,
Naveen.
Sridhar, huh?
Hi. Yeah, Naveen. Yeah, Naveen. Previously, I don't have any experience in real time. Previous like other technologies, but
Hmm.
I have the knowledge of like little bit like HTML, CSS.
Hmm. Hmm. That's fine. That's fine. That's okay. If you have HTML, CSS, then you can also go through my JavaScript videos. Okay. I hope you know a little bit of JavaScript also, right? Hello.
Yeah, 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 yes.
Okay, fine. So yeah, that HTML, CSS, JavaScript is enough, and React knowledge is not required because course itself is React. We learn from scratch. I don't expect you to have a React knowledge because we develop everything from scratch. Okay. So that definitely this will help you out. But one suggestion I'll do is, except apart from HTML, CSS, please also learn Bootstrap. Because most of the
Yeah,
examples, like
I know Bootstrap also.
yeah, that's super. Done. Okay, React we learn from scratch and no prerequisite for React. Okay, so we
Yeah,
learn React
okay.
from scratch. No React knowledge required for this. Okay.
Yeah, actually, because I'm coming from mechanical background, that's why I'm asking.
Oh, is it? Okay, no
Yeah,
problem. You already know the HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, no? So definitely you understand the React. No
yeah,
issue.
yeah,
Just the only suggestion I do is just follow regularly.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
so better you join the live session, ask me some doubts which you have live itself. Okay, if you don't want to waste your time in group and all, you can just ask me live questions. And also, if you don't understand the question, I mean the concept also, if it is a bit hard or something, definitely every class is getting recorded and kept to the Google Drive, right? So you can
yeah,
watch, you can rewind a number of times, and you can, and make sure you finish the concept that day itself, because next day tomorrow new concept will be there. So follow same way, definitely you'll become a master in React.
yeah. Thank you,
Okay,
thank
right, yeah.
you. Yeah.
um any question?
So yeah, Naveen, Rahul, there.
Ha, Rahul.
Yeah. So just curious about one thing.
Ah.
That you are having one Angular batch around
Hmm.
5 a.m. to 7 a.m.
Ha, yes.
Yeah. So how will you manage these two batches regularly?
Not two batches. I have four batches per day.
No, but there should be, as from understanding, there should be a gap between these two batches. Uh,
Okay, okay. I
so
I tell you.
just
I
to
tell you.
calm your mind so that you can uh, focus on the current batch.
Understood. Because I'm not just started because I was doing since many years, so I have a practice on it. I tell you, actually, what I do is morning 5 a.m. to 7 a.m. is Angular. Okay, yeah,
Yeah.
good question. Because initially I face a switch between Angular, completely new technology, and that too my examples will be same application in React also there, same application in Angular also there, and
Yeah.
even same big basket application also. Because see, my concept is very simple. In Angular batch, same 7 modules will be there. uh, Here same application we'll do with Angular, and
Yeah.
Angular with NGRX, same
Yeah.
application Angular NGRX, this also same, this also same, like that.
Yeah.
So it's completely same example only, but completely new technology I have to develop. Okay, so yeah, I know that switch, but what I do is yeah, I can I know both the technology definitely, because I can manage that. But thing how timings how I manage is 7 a.m. No, not exactly 7
Hmm.
a.m. I'll make
Hmm.
6:55. I'll wind up. Okay,
Okay.
5 minutes gap is there, and this mostly I not exactly 7 or 7:05 around I'll start. Okay, so
Okay.
10 minutes gap is there. So meanwhile, I'll refresh. I'll have a cup of tea and I'll I'll start it. And that's not an issue. Actually, I have a practice on it.
Okay, that's good. So, Naveen, one more question is that there. So, you are covering like server technologies like Express.js and
Hmm, hmm,
MongoDB.
hmm, hmm.
So, are we covering the Node or
Node.
the Express?
Hey, without Node, how Express comes, man? Node will be
Uh,
there. First Node, then
yeah,
Express, then MongoDB.
yeah,
Because
that's
it's
correct.
a MERN. I said Node is there. No,
Yeah, yeah.
it's there.
Okay. So, in
And
this technology like MongoDB and Express and
hmm,
Node, are
hmm.
we covering some advanced concept or just the basic concept in these?
Good question. I like your curiosity. See here, simple, no? Simple. I'll answer it. Okay. Don't take personally. See, you want to develop this application, right? It's
Mm-hmm.
complete credit card payments is there, login system is there, REST API is there. So it means if you want to develop this type of application, you need to
Mm-hmm.
write a REST API. You need to write a JWT authentication. You need to write password encryption.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and you
Mm-hmm.
have to do the credit card payments. As you said, we can also implement the
The
mailing
email.
system. Yeah,
Yeah.
email system.
Yeah.
So to do all these things, at least some level of React knowledge is required. I mean, some level of Express.js knowledge is required.
Mm-hmm.
Correct. So while learning Express and Node, we learn all these things first. Okay,
Okay.
I guess this knowledge is enough, because somewhat it's not just like basic creating server and all. Okay, basic
Mm-hmm.
level is creating server only, but
Mm-hmm.
we learn how to do REST API, JSON authentication, password encryption, credit card payments. Like we are doing these many things, and that too server side form validation, because
Mm-hmm.
some validations are happening from server side also, and those will fetch in get it here React also. So these many things we are doing in server means up to some level of server we are covering. It's not just only basic.
Yeah.
Okay.
Uh, yeah.
Ah,
So,
mm,
one more thing there. So, if we
ah.
want to have some form like step-by-step form, if you understand my question,
Yes,
we
yes.
some
That's just
forms.
like Amazon somewhere shopping cart we
Yes.
have.
Yes.
Yes,
We
that is
need
there
to.
in material UI we have, and Prime React also we have. Steps,
Okay.
yeah, you have.
Okay. Because we need to complete the first form, and on the
Yes,
basis of the first form
correct,
data, we
correct.
need to complete the second,
Yes,
and then
yes, yes.
third.
That
Then
is one
we get the.
small component in
Okay.
material UI. Stepper. That name is Stepper.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello, Naveen. Good morning.
Hey, good morning. Tanmay, tell me.
Actually, which is better technology, Angular or maybe React? Can you please me differentiate between those
Okay,
two?
okay. Good question, but complex question. Okay, yeah, React is better or Angular is better? Yeah, this question is completely valid before COVID. Okay, before COVID, it was like either one you learn is fine actually, but after COVID is like both you have to learn. Okay, because some people looking for both because they don't know which technology they want to make a project. Because they are looking for both the people who know. Okay, and when compared to the language specific, which is better? Actually, India Angular is popular. In US and other countries, React is popular. Okay, but that's not the only thing. You can actually do a Google search by yourself. Okay, it's like, do you know something called Google Trends? Google Trends is there, no? Google
Yes.
Trends. You can search for a keyword and you can. Yeah, I'll do the live search now. In Google Trends, you search about. So which is better? You understand here only. I just search with React. Yeah, React topic. Yep. Compare React with. We do the product comparison, no? Like that. You can do that technology comparison here. Angular web framework. See.
Yes.
Blue color is React, red color is Angular. The whole worldwide I search, I guess. You know, only US I search. I do a worldwide. Worldwide from last 12 months graph it is from Google. Google Trends. Based on the people search they do. Yeah, see? This graph is here, this graph is here. So 67 points for React and 42 for Angular. You can even search with a Vue. Vue also comes in the same category. So we can do Vue JS, I guess. Vue.js, we are Vue.js topic. Okay. See
I
now,
think both are component
React.
based. Both are
Ha
component
ha.
based programming, na?
Same. Single page application, component based programming, everything. So React, then Angular, then Vue. So I just select only what worldwide. If I you can even select India.
That is right.
India you select, I guess. And but just only don't go through with this. Okay. See, both are almost same level. React is Angular little higher than this, 4650, almost same only, and Vue is very less.
Yes.
So when I see the US, United States, it will be I think React is more. Yeah, React is more number than Angular. We go to Japan, China, anywhere. Just go with worldwide. Okay, so this gives you a brief idea, but just only blindly go with this because it may fluctuate every time. Okay, even fluctuate also is
Yes.
gone below only. But what
Yes.
I strongly suggest is how you learn, because anyway you have to learn, but which is first is I tell you, if you are
Yes.
a front end developer like UI, if you are a UI developer, okay, so you are from JavaScript background, okay, UI developer, I consider him as a JavaScript language background. So this guy first start with React JS and then you go with Angular. Both way you have to go there, but first start with React JS because it's purely on JavaScript.
Okay.
You easily understand that. And the person who are from backend, okay, who are from backend means especially Java or .NET.
Java,
These
Python.
guys, these guys. First, I strongly suggest is my personal suggestion is go with Angular first, then come to React. Okay,
Okay.
because here full of JavaScript features will be there like promises, callbacks and all, but directly Java from you switch to React, no, you can't understand really, because what is callback we don't have in Java, what is promise we don't have in Java, like you start comparing it instead of the features of it.
Okay.
So that's why you start with Angular. So what comparison you do here? Dependency injection is there. Here interface is there. Class is there. Oops is there. Everything is there in Java. So usually grasp the technology. Then you switch to React. Then you understand comparison. Now Java will go only comparison between Angular and React. Okay, Angular form handling like this, React form handling like this. In Angular routing like this, React routing like this. So you start comparing these two that way. So If you are a front-end developer, go with React JS first. If you are a back-end developer, go with Angular first. But one more strongest suggestion is don't never ever go parallelly. Never.
Okay.
Okay, never go parallel, because some people are very hurry. They want to learn everything parallel, but never go parallel. It will be completely, block, because I'm the live example.
You should. Yes.
Yeah, I'm the
Yes.
live
Yes.
example, because I have two batches back to back, morning also, evening also. So morning 5 to 7, yeah, 5 to 7 Angular is there, and 7 to 9 React is there. Yeah, I have experience on Angular and React, but still I'll confuse sometimes. I used to
Yeah.
mention React in Angular, Angular in React, and then immediately I'll change it. So then I face the difficulty.
Okay.
Okay, so that's why I strongly suggest never go
Okay.
parallelly. One finish, then go with other.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. And how I design my course also same way, because everywhere, as I said, same example. React guys also same setup, Angular also same setup, because I want you to, because at the end you have to learn both. But if you learn both the technology from me,
Yes.
same example, you understand how to do. See, UI exactly same, man. How to do same example with React, how to do same example with Angular, so you have a clear exposure to the technology to do the things. Okay, if you develop React one project, Angular one project, so it's like not exactly the similarity. Okay, so that's why I design my course also that way. Okay, yeah, good, thanks for the question.
Thank
Tanmay.
you. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you. Anyone, anybody? And don't worry, this class is getting recorded. Yeah, this Ajay one, Ajay one,
Hello, Naveen.
Ajay, tell me.
Sir, we are going to add a admin panel in it. So in the admin panel, and we can do. We also did
Admin.
role based routings there,
Is there actually in my
like in the Ghana app, like in
I
Ghana
tell
app,
I
you
tell
could
I tell I tell you, wait one second. I think I didn't show you that. Actually here, yeah, I have login, no?
yes,
Only I can see upload, because I am the admin guy. Because I
yeah,
just showed an admin user, only admin can see the upload. Okay,
okay.
this upload project. Suppose if I log out, I log in with a normal user.
So
You can't see the upload
so
then.
what we use for that, like contest API or like
Context API for state management. It's
okay,
like alternate for Redux. But
oh,
best thing is Redux only. We start with Context
okay,
API, then we'll switch to Redux. But here we are using Redux, because
okay,
some complex application, definitely company using complex applications only, but they'll
yes,
be using Redux only. And same Redux concept is there in Angular also, that is NGRX. And in Angular, we'll
NGR,
do same application with Angular and NGRX, same Redux concept. But Angular
okay,
library will be there, and that is TypeScript. And one bonus for you guys is we also learn how to do React with TypeScript. Okay, very soon, in
okay,
2 days, we are launching a TypeScript tutorial, full-fledged tutorial on YouTube channel, free of cost. So once that is finished, by the time we'll be doing all this, no. At last, I tell you how to configure React with the TypeScript, and also
yes,
Express.js with the TypeScript, because in future,
there
everyone
will
used
be
to write only
TypeScript,
TypeScript. Yeah,
yes,
everyone used to write only
TypeScript,
TypeScript, so you need to know that as well. Okay,
okay,
after few
okay,
years, everyone write React or Angular will in TypeScript only. Okay, now you understand the importance of TypeScript. So because we have to switch. Okay, because in this
TypeScript,
market, how much update you are, that much more opportunities will come. Okay, yeah.
okay,
At last 5 minutes. Any question?
Hi Naveen, this is Ravi.
Ha, Ravi, tell me.
Yeah, actually, last batch I have joined Angler, but I couldn't able to attend that one. Almost
Angular, which
70 to
batch?
80
Morning or
percent.
evening? 7 to 8.
Morning. Yeah, morning. Last.
Morning 7 to 9.
Hello.
Huh?
Yeah,
7 to
but I
9
couldn't
React
able
only,
to attend.
na?
Yes.
7 to 9 React, no morning?
No. Angler actually I've joined, but I couldn't able to attend that one classes. I pinged you
Oh,
on WhatsApp also. So you said
Okay,
that in
okay,
React also it's going on, but
okay,
at that time, like my project also it's completely UX designing position, so that's
okay,
why I couldn't able to work on that.
okay,
But right now, I'm like my project, like another project is going on React.
okay.
But I don't have much knowledge on the coding side. Again, will I get that one same issue or not? Actually, because I have knowledge on the HTML, CSS, little bit JavaScript. I don't have much knowledge.
Yeah,
But
yeah,
Bootstrap,
fine.
I have worked very well with by using like a responsive design.
Okay,
So
okay.
how can I approach
Yeah,
without knowing the
understood,
JavaScript? Without
understood, understood.
yeah, how can I go for
Okay,
this course?
yeah, understood. You're from designer, right? Not a developer.
Yes, yeah,
Okay,
exactly. I'm a
okay,
designer.
okay. Okay, so yeah, as you said, you have a basic knowledge on JavaScript. So please go through this. I think this is more than enough to understand React. Okay, so here I explain in JavaScript playlist. If you go, so there I explain from basic what is variable, what is environment setup, how programming works in JavaScript from there to advanced level. And we did some lot of programs, and we also done some DOM manipulation. Okay, some DOM manipulation also we have done some example like how to math table, stopwatch, form validation, local storage, session storage, some task list, CURD application using the plain JavaScript and HTML. Okay, ES6 features like a spread operator, like, and also we see advanced concept like asynchronous JavaScript, callbacks, promises, dependent promises, like async await, image upload. Like good examples I discuss here. I strongly suggest you to go through this as well. Meanwhile, anyway, you're attending the React, right? So meanwhile, let's also go through this. Okay, and
Mhm.
so you definitely cope up this. Okay,
Okay.
so
Okay.
you definitely understand the React if you have complete this.
Okay.
Okay,
Because I have started, I have attended that one almost 10 or 15 classes in Angular.
hmm.
After that one, like based on that one, like my capability, I actually I didn't attend that
Actually,
one all the
see,
classes.
I tell you
Uh,
frankly,
uh,
see, you attend fine, but there should be some time to practice also. Correct?
right,
That's the
right.
problem. If you
Mm, mm,
practice in the same way, because that's what if you miss one class, the next class will be in dilemma. Correct. If you can't able to
right.
cover the record session also in that time, so next class will be depend on the first class concept only. And if you don't know
Okay,
that one, next class will be completely. So it's like it breaks everything. Okay, so
okay.
that's why once you decide for the class, then definitely you have to give some time.
And for
Okay.
this React, actually, are you giving that one some like coding skills, like kind of JavaScript with you're starting with JavaScript, or directly you're
No
going with the
JavaScript.
React
No, no, no. If
functions?
I start JavaScript, will go to 3 months.
Okay,
No JavaScript gets covered. Direct React starts. Maybe at
okay,
least 1 or 2 classes of JavaScript I start, but React only. No complete JavaScript. Okay, because
okay.
time waste. No,
Yeah, yeah,
React
yeah.
only we don't have time.
So,
Okay.
but React is completely based on that on JavaScript or any other
Yeah, it's
languages?
complete based on JavaScript. Complete based on JavaScript.
Okay, so there is no like not required to learn that one Java and .NET other pack other
No, not required.
programming
Not
language.
required. No. Complete
So
JavaScript. Complete
basic
JavaScript.
pre-require requisitions is or the HTML, CSS, JavaScript or only JavaScript?
Oh, you joined late or what? I think
No.
one second. I showed. I think here. Yeah, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap is enough.
Okay. I joined late. Yeah.
Oh, is it? Okay. Don't worry. Just go through this recorded video. Those who joined late. Uh,
Mhm.
because I explained HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap is required.
Okay, that's great.
Right. It lasts 2 minutes. Any question?
Hello.
Ha, Sandeep.
Sir, in Brains card application, we do Stripe payment. Na?
Yeah.
In client, we do one project for client. If we do Stripe payment, how can get client that amount?
Actually, ये जो है ना, Stripe में you can configure your bank account. This is as of now test data.
Yeah.
I can't show real amount direct from my account 16,000 and all, right? So test data. Actually, if you want to make a real data, see here. You just activate your account. Activate your account. So your customer account has to be activated. Like who is the owner of the application? He has to receive the amount, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that account, like company you have, suppose like this is something Mintra is there. So Mintra have one group bank account will be there. So they will get the amount directly to them. So they have their own account details they need to upload here. So it will redirect to the original bank payment, and this amount you can reflect in your bank real
Okay.
amount. But this is as of
Yeah.
now test data. Just the only thing is you have to change the API key. Free as there, like real API key is there. Test API key and real API key. You can just change the API key while activating, so it will directly transfer to your account.
Okay. Actually, I want to ask that one in our previous batch, but I didn't.
Okay, 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 fine. Yeah.
Naveen, will you teach few performance optimization techniques too, because these are asked in the real-time interview?
Sorry, Namisha, could you
Performance
please speak bit
optimization.
louder?
Yes, performance optimization.
Performance optimization. Yeah, definitely. Why can't? Definitely, we'll discuss that because that's very important. Because every example, it's not a separate concept where you can optimize it. Every example, when the concept comes, well, I'll tell you. Okay, if you do this way, how it affects the performance. If you do this way, how it affects the performance. I used to explain that in the concepts itself. No separate class for that. Okay, so we'll just cover in the course itself. Okay, and yeah,
Naveen,
uh,
one
Rahul.
thing. Yeah. So you mentioned in the PPT that we are covering that callbacks and
Huh,
the promises.
huh.
So, as per my understanding, these callbacks are replaced by these promises. So, are we covering the callbacks as well?
No, no.
Okay.
Actually, this callbacks and promises from JavaScript. No.
Yeah.
So I expect you to learn, but
Okay.
don't worry because we have done already the videos on it, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
The callbacks is there, real-time use of callbacks is
Mm-hmm.
there,
Mm-hmm.
so promise is there. So please go through just 10 minutes video you go through, because my plan is to focus on React, because in
Yeah.
my batch some people already knows JavaScript. If I tell this concept, no, they feel bored.
Yeah.
Okay, so I focus on React because if I start focusing on JavaScript, no, problem will be we miss something in React because React is important for us. Okay, so these things you can go through anytime.
Yeah. So we
Okay,
will
so
means if I want to check, I should check the promises, not the callback.
yes, yes, definitely.
And there is one more thing that
Hmm.
we are covering MongoDB and this Node and Express.
Yes.
Should we go some basic training by ourselves, or are we covering from zero
No, no, no.
to?
Node.js and all, I start from scratch.
Okay.
Node.js, any training not required. Only James JavaScript knowledge only required. Because
Okay.
Node.js also not a new language, just a platform where you can write JavaScript code only.
Yeah.
Okay, there also same callbacks promise also will come. So that's
Hmm.
also pure based on JavaScript. So if you know JavaScript, then you can understand the node. So prior node knowledge is not required, but JavaScript is enough. Simple man, the whole
Yeah.
course, these things enough. Okay, so
Okay.
MongoDB and all will come in with this one, based on this only.
Yeah.
Express
Sure.
also based on JavaScript.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay,
Got
fine.
it. Thanks.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so thank you so much for everyone. And as I said, tomorrow also we have a class that is for software installation mostly. Yeah, can you do one thing? Can you do one thing? Or else can you start software installation tomorrow? Okay. Yeah, we do software installation tomorrow. And Wednesday we start the first React application and then starts. So Wednesday is the last date to pay the fee, and I'll be sharing my bank details. Mostly you can do the Google Pay to this number to block your seat. Okay, so per batch maximum 35 people allowed. Okay, so already I guess 23 people joined, but 100 people registered. Okay, so 35 people allowed, and those are paying bit late. Okay, after 1 week or something, so definitely they'll be pushing to next batch. Okay, so next batch mostly after 1 month. So I guess you don't waste your time in of 1 month. Okay, so please do the payment at the earliest to block your seat. Okay, at least pay the token amount, that is what, 3,000 rupees. Okay, and remaining you can pay after 15 days or 20 days, no issue. Okay, so I'll be sharing the bank details and Google Pay number and all, so you can make it. Okay, so who knows, all payments will full by this 2 days before 18. Okay, people will be thinking, oh, 19 they'll pay. Who knows, by 18 only 35 people filled. Then what you do? You have to come for the next batch. Okay, okay. So please do it. If you, I see everything is there. No, what is the need to? If you want to check, you can check. But everything what I want to cover is showed transparent. Okay, and it's not like trainer or student. I'll be very jovial, and you can ask me any question of subject. Right? Yeah. So that's it. Thank you so much, and all the very best. Okay, good luck, and we'll start React from tomorrow. Thank you.
Yeah. Thanks, Naveen.
Thank you.